Hello everyone, welcome to today's exciting experiment. Have you ever wondered how to make an electromagnet stronger? In this video, we will explore three key factors that affect its strength. Let's get started. First, let's build our circuit. We connect the variable resistor and ammeter and a coil in series with an adjustable power supply. Let's turn on the circuit. First of all, we adjusted the variable resistor to set the current to 0.5 amp. With a current of 0.5 amp, the electromagnet lifts only a few pins. Let's see what happens when we change something. Now we insert the iron core into the coil while keeping the current the same. Look, the electromagnet lifts more pins. This proves that using the iron core enhances the electromagnet strength. Next, let's increase the current to 1 amp. Now, the electromagnet lifts a lot more pins. Comparing this with our previous test, we can see that a larger current makes the electromagnet stronger. Now, let's add another coil with thicker wire and place it around the first coil. We set the current back to 0.5 amp to observe the effect. Even at the same current, the electromagnet now lifts a large number of pins. Comparing this with our first setup, we can conclude that increasing the number of coil turns strengthens the electromagnet. Let's summarize what we learned today. The strength of an electromagnet depends on three key factors. Using an iron core increased the magnetic field. Increasing the current strengthened the magnet. More coil turns result in a stronger electromagnet. These principles explain how electromagnets are used in everyday technology, from electric motors to MRI machines. If you enjoyed the experiment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun science experiments. See you next time!